Yeah, fish on. Yep. Yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, bro.
You see, bro?
Bro.
These guys.
Hey, what's up guys? Going for a few hours of pike fishing today. It was really cloudy this morning. It was even snowing a bit early hours this morning. It's cooled down quite a lot, but now the sun's out and it's clear skies, so not really pikey weather. But I think today's the last day. Oh, what date is it? I'm not sure. A couple more days left until pike season closes, so going to give it a try anyway. Never mind the sun, it's nice to be in the sun, it's so cold. So if we can get some pike today, it'll be nice. If not, sunny day fishing, can't complain anyway. So we'll see it on the water and get some casts in, yo. Let's start off with this shark shad today. I've had this for a long time rigged up just in my pile of lures, never used it. Really nice colour. I don't know what the colour is called. Does it say? It doesn't say. But yeah, nice colour, man. Blue, nice yellow tail. But it's like this blue and clear colour, which is really nice. Maybe it's good in this sun today, in this murky water. Got it shallow rigged, so it's ready to go. So let's see if we can get a bite on it today. It's already split there for some reason. I don't know why that's split like that. What the hell? Never even used it. It's split already. Great quality lures. Clear skies, sun shining. Not pike weather at all, but it doesn't stop us trying, right? I've caught some pike on days like this. Never a great number, but oh, look at that big old yellow tail flopping along. That little sharky boy has got to catch a pike today. Super bright in the water, big paddle tail. Plop, 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 plop. Come on, sharky boy. Little shark fins. Can we catch a pike on a shark? Let's see today. No. I let it sink for half a second and I lost it already.
Catching this now?
I'm trying to catch pike.
Pike?
Yeah. Come on, pikey, pikey. Wonder if it's any here last where I caught this fat mama. I only had one here last time though. Similar conditions, but it was a fat one. Surely there's some more here if there was a fat pike like that there. Oh, so many bait fish then just scattered from my chatterbait altogether. Wow. The bait fish is here. Where's the pike? Yeah, fish on. Oh, we got a big fat mama on the chatterbait, yo. Big fat mama on the chatterbait again. Nice. Chatterbait for the win. Woo! Nice chatterbait for the win, boys. Chatterbait's always doing the trick, to be fair. It's a fat little mama too. Short and fat. And she's in the net. Good thing it's a single. Hey.
Hi. What are you now?
Sorry man, I don't speak Dutch.
Is that from here?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's insane.
Yeah, it's a big one.
I thought there was like no fish here because it's like closed off, you know?
Yeah.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah man, I'm just trying to get my thing out the net quickly.
So they eat the rats.
Yeah, they eat the rats, they do. Yeah man,
Nice catch.
thank you.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna put her back because she's fat, she's full of eggs. She's full of eggs, gonna spawn soon.
Never knew that these actually eat rats.
Yeah, they love it.
The rats in Amsterdam are pretty big.
Yeah. She got her nose stuck there. Come on. Yeah. There she goes. Nice. Well guys, first pike, nice. Probably 30, 40, 50 minutes of fishing now. Chatterbait for the win again. My friend's coming to meet me and he's just had 3 casts at another spot and also caught a pike, so hopefully they're biting today if we can find them. But let's keep on casting. Nice, we got the first fish out the way at least. Snooky, snooky. I think it's just a matter of finding them.
Well, but they are here.
Yeah, but I think they're not spread out right now. They're in certain areas where they're gonna spawn, you know? Yep. Yeah. Little Jackie boy popped out of nowhere.
Give me a second.
Yeah, it's okay like that. Pull it. You can pull it out one more as well. In there.
Look at this bust.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, you don't have to tighten that. Nice. Nice, bro. Oh, and now he's gonna fuck himself up.
Crocodile, look how funny it is, bro. Nice catch.
Excellent.
Yeah, here there was always a bit
Around
the bridge.
Slimy little Jack. He's looking for those females.
Quite good.
Yeah.
Should be fine.
Nice one. Little Jackie boy.
Look, yeah.
Like a bit more stop. Slowly, very slowly.
With the
Of
net.
course.
Yeah, you fish him.
Let's get this little guy back then. See you later, buddy.
Very slowly, yeah? Watch out, very slowly. Yeah?
Yeah, very slowly. Nice one.
For sure, he said.
Yeah, I think this will be the last day I try for them. I'll just go for perch and dander the next month. Oh, no way.
I told you here, bro, because there's too much shit. That's behind you, Josh, anyway. You saw the strike I had, that's just behind you. Maybe it's smaller fight. Yeah, right there. You're good there. Told you here. Told you straight away, but my feeling doesn't.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Yes, you see.
Bro, my drag was loose.
That's the one.
I don't even know how I hooked it. My drag was completely loose.
That was the one. Told you, brother.
How did I hook it? You must have swallowed it because...
It's a decent one, actually.
Yeah, we need the net. My drag was completely slipping.
This is my gift to you, brother.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Bro, I forgot to tighten my drag. It was like...
For sure it will come again.
complete slipped.
I took mine from there, I went down there.
Oh, you had climbed down?
Yeah. This is a nice one.
Nice.
This is almost 80.
Oh, let me try and get him before he spins around.
Yes. This guy is gonna shake, watch out. I
Yeah.
feel it, it's gonna shake.
Where's the hook?
Told you, fool.
Nice one. Little 60, 55, 60.
Ah, at least. It's odd.
Nice. Nice little Jackie boy. Let's get him back. Thanks, bro.
Welcome. Told you, fool.
Nice one.
That's a good teamwork.
Yeah.
I knew it will take smaller, straight away.
Yeah. See you, buddy. Yeah, chatterbait always works when if they take a lure, they always switch to chatterbait now and they take it. Nice. Lift off. Watch me now talk shit and we catch a meter pike. I'll believe there's pike in here when I at least get a follow or a bite or something.
You don't believe there is pike at the moment?
Oh, bro,
Yeah. You see, bro? You
bro,
see?
bro.
This guy told me he don't believe it. He told me he don't believe it.
There's no pike in here, bro. Oh! Bro, that was massive. It was a 90.
And I wanted to tell you, if there is here, they are big, man. They are bigger than. This was 80, 90.
Yeah. 80 or 90.
So there is pike or no here?
Fat
My
one.
feelings are always right, bro.
How did it come off?
You have to trust me, man.
How did it come off?
Yeah, single hook. He was shaking like crazy also.
Didn't even look like it was in his mouth though. Fuck!
Yeah, it was good play how you cast it along those trees there.
Fuck.
Telling you,
Chatterbait, 4 pike. Lost one.
telling you, bro.
No, I think it was a carp. It was a big fat carp, foul hooked. This shad was brand new when I put it on today. Oh, would have been a nice season ender. Come on, come back. Pike's never coming back. Well guys, on the way home now. It was a nice little session. I had 3 pike, Shady had 1 just before he met me at that spot there where I caught that last one. But yeah, it was a nice little session. Last day of pike fishing. Can't complain. Few pike on the bank, all on the little chatterbait. They cannot resist the chatterbait, the pike, man, I tell you. So if you haven't tried it, give it a try. Hope you guys enjoyed this little session. It'd be cool if you could leave a like, comment, subscribe and all that. And I'll see you guys in the next one, yo. Peace.